All right, so now what we're going to do is pull this toilet. And so what I've got to do is unhook the attachment here. And I think I'm going to probably unhook it here because I got to take the water closet off. And then I got to move this. I'm going to put it in the toilet because we're going to rip up the floor. So first step is pulling the toilet. And so I'm going to put this little bucket that I had from before under here in case I've got any water coming out of there. Grab my channel locks. And I'm going to go ahead and loosen this up. I've got the water turned off, but you know, you're going to have water come out of it. So no matter what you do. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. So I'm going to go this way with it. Frickin'. There we go. I should be able to spin it with my hands in a second here. Let's see, yeah. Now there's probably water in the water closet, so it may leak out. That's why you need this thing. Make sure that you turn this to the off position, because if you don't, well, you'll have water squirting out of there like a son of a gun. So next I'm gonna loosen up the bidet. And again, righty tighty, lefty loosey. I'm just going to loosen this up. And as you can see, it's just coming off. I have some water coming out of this too. So let's move this over. She's got it now. Of course, it does not want to come undone. It takes a while. Just got to get it loose. And I can spin it with my hand. There we go. Now there's probably going to be some water dripping out of here. So, oh, nope, we're good. Yeah, a little bit, see? That's why you need that little thing here. Gravity's going to pull it down. Now so we could just pull the whole toilet and just throw it in there, which I probably do, because that'll be the easiest. So I've got to pop this off, and then we got to unscrew these. Basically, that's all there is to it. One on each side. And you know, you're going to have an open sewer, so you're going to need.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this the size of the hole and tape this on top.
She's going to try to plug it up. So this is a little dirty, but don't lose any of these parts because you're going to need them. And hopefully it comes off, because sometimes on old ones they get stuck and you can't get them off. So that's all that, and then we can just pull this off. Save all that. I'm going to put it up here where you won't lose it. Okay, now we got to do the other one on the other side.
And is that the only thing that's holding the toilet down?
Yep, that's it.
Oh.
Get in here.
Your feet.
Yeah, well, I got to get in here.
I know, I would have cleaned it out. Actually, it wasn't coming off. That black stuff's all over it, you know?
Okay, that one's popped. All right, she doesn't want me in here, so I'm going to get out of here. And channel locks, please.
Not what I said.
Channel locks, please. You can, if you want, you can go outside and relax for a bit, and I'll get this done, and then you don't have to watch.
You want me to help you lift it up?
Yeah, but I ain't there yet. You know, I know you want to keep a watchful eye on me in case I do something wrong.
No.
All right, so we're gonna get this one off. Same thing, just got to get it loose, and then I can do it with my fingers. There we go. Okay, that's off. Take those off. And that's it. All right, back over to the other side to remove the water supply line, and then to take off the universal flow valve.
I'm holding it.
All right, out. Still turning? Here we go.
I'm holding it.
I'm so stupid. Well, I was going the wrong way. That's why it wasn't working. All right, there we go. All right, so we got these off. We'll just leave those to the side. Get this off of here. All right, that's what holds the universal flow valve to the water closet. And then, all right.
Is this trash?
I can put a new one in there. Let's save it. So anyway, I'm going to rebuild the entire interior of this toilet water closet. Those two bolts down there, we've got to loosen them from underneath the toilet. So I got to crawl under there. Okay, so you're going to get to see me do all this work from the underside of the toilet. See those bolts right there? I got to remove those. All right, so what I'm doing is just getting this loose. And then I'm going to try to hand spin it. See, this thing would work great if I could get on it, but I'm just a little bit short, so I gotta loosen it up. There we go. See? It'd be nice if we might have some water slip out of here, but all right, there we go. Now, let's see if I can get my hand on it. Yeah, there we go. So this will come right out, off. Water's gonna come out, of course. All right, so anyway, as you can see, I've almost got the screw off. And I just got a little bit farther to go. And there's one on each side, and you wanna save those. You don't wanna throw them away. There's a washer and a bolt, not a screw, a washer and a bolt. Now I come up here, I just pull it right out, just like this. There's the hole. And this is a messy screw. I got new screws, but we're going to save these anyway. And you can see, look at my hand. That's from the screw. It's a rubber that is just basically. All right, so same thing under
You
here.
want me to hold this?
I just got to get it, turn it to the left. Okay. It's loose.
Yeah, but if you hold it, I can turn it from up here a lot easier than you doing it.
No, that's loose. You
Got
can't.
it then?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's getting everywhere. Not much I can do about it. So this is on both sides. You got to do this. Okay, so I got them both off of there, and it's a mess because it's so old. But we're going to redo the whole thing, and we're going to clean it all up. All right. So now you might want to get. Now the thing is that I think you might want to get a plastic bag or something.
Pick it up.
I'm going to put it in here. So we're going to set something in there so that we don't get the wax ring or whatever's underneath there all over the
So
place.
like what should I put down there? A garbage bag?
Yeah, garbage bag. You want to grab one?
Yeah.
So now I can tip this and drain the water out. Right there. You see? Makes it lighter. Gets it out of there. And you can see how dirty those things are. So we may clean this out a little bit too. And I got to pull that flush valve out of there, which I will do. And all I'm going to do is just lift this up and put it right in the shower. Okay, so I'm going to take the water closet off first. And all I'm going to do is just lift it up, just like that. And I'm going to set it in here. I'm just going to set it down right there. Now, all right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this up, I'm going to put it in there, and hopefully she's going to catch the whole thing.
How about I help you pick it up?
Okay, that's what it looks like underneath there. Of course, there is water in it, so it makes it a little bit heavier,
Yeah,
but
could have helped you.
we'll set her down right there.
Shoot.
And we're good.
Okay, let me turn this.
All right, so
cover
we got our
up.
toilet over here. We've got this all opened up. And now my honey's going to clean all that mess up.
Well, can we just take that off of there and throw that away?
Well,
The ring?
you can take the wax off of there, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't throw anything else away.
What anything else? I can
Don't throw away those screws.
I can throw away what's right here, right?
Wow, look at this floor. Boy, if we could clean
I
this
didn't
floor,
realize there's white on here. That's
it
pretty
would
funny.
be nice. All right, so what she's going to do is she's going to try cleaning it up and pulling this stuff off.